Hey there, Pusakal here. Today we're diving into the world of dynamic microphones with the PD100 XLR from Maono. Dynamic mics like the PD100 handle high sound pressure levels without distortion, perfect for capturing powerful sources like guitar amps and drums. Their mid-range emphasis suits vocals and live performances. On the other hand, condenser mics are more sensitive, capturing a wide range of frequencies and delicate details, ideal for studio recordings and acoustic instruments. We'll explore all of that with the PD100, so let's get started. Opening the box, you are then greeted by another box which contains the accessories for the microphone. Included in the package is an XLR cable, an extension rod for the desk stand, and the product manual. Finally, the microphone with the desk stand attached, covered in a high-density foam to protect it from damages. You can loosen the fastener and adjust the tilt of the microphone to aim it directly at your mouth. You can remove the base to add the extension rod to make it closer to your mouth. I then plugged in the XLR cable to my interface and the other end going to the microphone. I am using the Behringer Euphoria UM2 for my recordings. You may also use a boom arm to mount the microphone. The mic arm is compatible to both 3/8 and 5/8 thread mounts, so you don't need to buy an adapter for that. Let's do some tests to determine the sound quality the PD100 offers. And by the way, I am using the PD100 right now to record the voiceover for this video. Testing the microphone to ensure it's working properly and capturing clear audio. I'm speaking at a normal volume to check if the microphone can pick up my voice clearly. Now I'm speaking softly to see if the microphone can capture lower volume levels accurately. Next, I'll speak loudly to test if the microphone can handle higher volume levels without distortion. Testing the microphone sensitivity by speaking at different distances. I'll start speaking at a normal distance and gradually move farther away. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Finally, I'll move closer to the microphone to check if it can handle close proximity without any issues. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Now let's see how this microphone handles plosives. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? There you have it, folks. The PD100 XLR microphone exceeds my expectations as a small content creator. Its impressive performance and top-notch build quality make it a visually appealing choice. Despite its affordable price range of around 50 USD or 2800 PHP, it pleasantly surprised me. To further enhance your recordings, I recommend adding a pop filter to minimize plosives. Additionally, using a boom arm with the PD100 XLR microphone is crucial as it effectively absorbs vibrations caused by typing on your keyboard when using the desk stand. For those without an audio interface, the PD100 USB version offers a convenient grab-and-go solution. Check out the link below for more information. And that wraps it up for today. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Paalam!